Hello friends, we're going to create this part. Okay, press start. File new. Okay, top plane sketch. Choose center rectangle. Start from origin. Okay, so we have 96, 64 dimension. 96. Okay, 64. Okay, features smooth 16. Okay, smooth. So we have this side. This side 16, extruded up to 48. Okay, select this face, normal, sketch on a rectangle, dimension here 16. Okay, isometric, features, extrude up to 48. Okay, say okay. Okay, so we have this 20 and 30. Okay, select this face, normal, sketch, choose line, start from this side up to this one. Okay, assign dimension, give this 20 millimeter, give side 30 millimeter. Okay, isometric, features, cut, extrude, blinds, lower. Okay, you see, come to this side, let's this 28, this is 40. Okay, select this one, normal, sketch, corner rectangle, start from this side up to this one, assign dimension, be 40, distance from this side up to this one 22. Okay, isometric, extrude up to 28, features, extrude borders up to 28. Okay, say okay. So you see, I'm going to assign this 24 diameter. Okay, select this face, normal, circle, start from origin. Okay, assign diameter of 24. Okay, 24. Okay, isometric, features, extrude, cut, floor. Okay, you see, then assign this one. Okay, assign this one. Okay, features, normal, sketch, corner rectangle, start from this side up to this one. Okay, size is 12, same dimension of 12. Okay, Okay, isometric, features, extrude. Okay, select this face, normal, select line, choose line, start from this corner up to this one, this. Okay, you see, isometric, features, extrude cut, slower. Okay, you see, we are going to insert this slot. Okay, 16, 24, 20. Okay, select this face, normal, select straight slot. Okay, okay, 20, 24, 16. Okay, same dimension, 20, 24, add relation, select this point, put control and select this line, make it coincident. Okay, this is fully defined. Okay, isometric, features, cut, extrude, lines, drawer. Okay, so friends, this is, it looks better. Okay, sign appearance, select part, appearance, select color, any color you want. Okay, okay, so friends, this is how to design the and create the part in SOLDWORKS. I hope you have enjoyed the videos. So you see, this is good. Thank you.